Hey everybody, and welcome to our 2021 virtual Valentine's cooking class. I'm Matthew Kane, club manager of Belmont Country Club. I'm here with Chef Alex Medina, executive chef at Lee's, and we are here to walk you through a four-course Valentine's Day dinner. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Chef Alex for our first course, seared ahi tuna. I'll be popping in and out, answering any questions, any helpful tidbits, and helping Chef however I can. So.
Hi everyone, Chef Alex from Belmont Country Club. Happy Valentine's to everyone. Well, let's go to start with our first course, seared Cajun ahi tuna. Our ingredients are tuna sato block, lasted tomatoes, salt, Cajun seasoning, oil, our shredded potatoes for our roasted potatoes, garlic and thyme. Let's start. First, let's go to prepare our tomato confit. For that, we need 2 cups of olive oil. Let's go put in there cluster for tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic and thyme. Let's go to put it in our oven for 350 degrees for about 10 minutes until get a nice sharp color and caramelize. Now oil. Let's turn on our stove.
Chef, for everybody at home, how high do you want to keep the flame for the tuna when you're ready to sear it?
I prefer high heat because we're going to use a Cajun seasoning. I like to see nice color, caramelize, develop all the sugar in the seasoning. Put a little bit salt in both sides and heavy on Cajun seasoning. For sure you're going to enjoy it. In both sides. Let's put some olive oil. Now, as you can see, our oil is start to smoking, ready to go.
One little secret for people at home, a restaurant secret, we use blended olive oil because it's got a higher smoking point. So it will actually get hotter before it starts to smoke. So for restaurants, we get that nice sear, we get that nice caramelization a little bit more quickly than you get at home with vegetable or canola oil.
Okay, now let's see, it's about 15 seconds in each side maybe. Wow, that looks good. Go to flip over. Another 10-15 seconds. Let's set aside.